In another video, I mentioned that you can't get rich from doing online surveys. However, I have seen people earn a part-time income from doing online surveys. So if your goal is to earn a part-time income from online surveys, I highly recommend that you use multiple online survey sites so that you can multiply your income. For example, with Swagbucks and MyPoints, you could probably make around $90 per month. And with another online survey site called Branded, you could probably make around $40 per month. With Pinecone Research, $90 per month. And if you look on Craigslist, also use those high-paying survey sites such as Focus Group and Survey Squad, which I don't really like to call survey sites, or more of market research sites. If you use those, you could probably make a few hundred to over 1,000 per month just from those. So the key here is to use multiple online survey sites and market research sites if you want to earn a part-time income from online surveys.